Hey guys, it's Albert from Muffin Group. In this tutorial, I would like to take a closer look at new feature we've added in version 28.2, Tabber. It's a powerful feature that lets you organize your content into tabs, with every tab built visually in BeBuilder. Let's not waste the time on this introduction and jump to my screen. For this tutorial purpose, I will focus on our new pre-built website, Martial Arts, where this feature has been used. At the beginning, I will show you how to turn section into tabber. Let's add new a section, and let's add full with wrap. Now, to turn section into tabber, all I have to do is go to section settings and select tabber type. As you noticed, this little purple label appeared in the left top corner of section. Also, wrap 1 appeared, so we have our first tab. Let's add two more tabs by clicking plus tab in the left top corner just above the tabber label. And just like that, we've created 3 tabs. Let's add something now into each tab so they are not empty. For first tab, let's add column text. For second, heading, and for third, maybe button. As you can see, in a couple of seconds, we've created 3 tabs where each can be populated with BeBuilder elements. Let's edit my tabber section I just created, where I would like to show you how to change tabs position within click. You can easily switch between top, bottom, right and left position. What's more, below you have tabs order feature, where by drag and drop you can easily change order of tabs. Let's say you want to change tab navigation title. To do that, let's click on the tab title, and in field tab nav title, let's type own text, for example, my tab 1. As you see, title have changed instantly. As you notice, there's a couple of other options underneath, like tab nav desk, where you can add description if necessary, you can set link for tab navigation, or even set an icon or image. What's worth to be mentioned is tabber styling. For that, I have to navigate to tabber settings, and under style tab, you have 2 sub-tabs, tabber nav and tabber nav items. Options for the first one are responsible for whole tab container, while second is for nav items inside. Let's now move to real example we've already created for this pre-built website. I'm talking about the section underneath. This section is already tabber type, and you can notice it by seeing this purple label in the left top corner of section, what I already mentioned earlier. Let's edit section now. As you see, it's already set to tabber type. It means that from now on, this section doesn't behave like regular section, but you can add custom tabs and build anything inside those tabs. As I already have 3 tabs, for everyone, philosophy and experience, all are listed on the left side, and with drag and drop, you can order them as you like. Let's say you want to add 4th tab now, all you have to do is click plus tab in the left top corner of the section. New tab goes underneath, and you're probably wondering why. It's because for this specific tabber, I've already set width for tabber navigation items under section style tabber nav items to 33.33%. And because I have 4 of them now, width should be changed to 25% to keep all 4 in one line. And now I can start building content inside using elements available in BeBuilder. It's that simple. As if that were enough, we can also set the navigation position. To do this, go to the tabber section settings, where we can switch between right, bottom, top and left. You're probably wondering why when the left position is set, it doesn't look good. Nothing easier. For this specific scenario, under section style tab, I have to change container width from 100%, which is basically the most correct value for top and bottom position, to 20% to make tabs 20% so there is enough space on the right for the content. That's it for this tutorial. Hope you liked this video and I shed some light on tabber feature. If you like this video, I encourage you to watch another video where I explained another awesome BeTheme feature, shop filtering. And as always, thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified every time you release a new video. And if you have more questions, please visit our support center at support.muffingroup.com.